Hello guys, and welcome to our tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be deleting a node from a linked list. So we're given the linked list head, and then we're given the position of the node that we need to delete. So the first thing we need to do is check to see if the head is null. So if the head is equal to null, then we need to return the head, because that means that there is no chain, right? And then if the position is equal to 0, then we're going to go ahead and return head next. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at how we can solve this. So the first thing, if the head is null, then we return null. All right. And if we have our nodes like this, right, and we wanted to delete this one, then all we need to do is return the reference to the next node, right, which is going to be this right here. So if that makes sense, we're going to delete this node, then the node that we need to return as the head is going to be this node, right? So we return the reference, which is going to be this node, because this right here is going to be pointing to this node, right? So we know that head.next is going to be the next node, all right? So what happens if we wanted to go ahead and actually delete from here, and we know this is going to be pointing here. So all we need to do is sever the connections between the nodes, right? So we know that this node right now, this next node, this next is pointing to this node, and then this node's next is pointing to this node, all right? So what we need to do is just say, hey, this needs to go ahead and point here to this node. So what we're going to do is we're going to say that current.next should point to current.next, which .next. All right, so what we're going to do is skip this. We're going to sever this links and have it point to this one, and then we can drop this node. So what we're going to do is keep a reference of our head node. So we're going to say single linked list node current is going to equal to head, and then we need to loop to the position that we need to be in. So we're going to say int index is going to be equal to 1. Index is less than position index. All right. So we're going to say that current is going to equal current.next. And then what we're going to do is say that current.next is going to equal current.next. And then we can return the head. All right, so let's go ahead and run this. And then let's submit. Alright guys, this will be it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.